It's a 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac is driving the world forward. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.